OBDII readers, that is scanners for all 96 and newer cars. I got a 2010, 2017, 2020, and so forth. So we're going to open this bad boy up. You get a user's manual. Check it out. Some information provided. Comes in a nice bag, and we're going to unpack it, go ahead to the car, plug it in, and just show you how to briefly read things. It's not that hard to do. And let's take a look at the controls. It's got a DTC, a battery, up, a down, an exit, and an enter. So let's go plug this bad boy in and see what we can read. All cars, a little difficult to find the OBDII port. And you're going to look down on your vehicle and you're going to feel for it. Normally they're somewhere about here. Mine goes sideways. It comes on, lit, and it gives you a number of readings well lit up. OBD is not touch screen, so you will go down, it highlights the area and goes across and so forth. We're going to see what the settings say. Language, unit of measure, contrast. Let's go to the OBD side and let's just hit the battery. If I hit the battery, it should come on, or the DTC. We have to be in the right area to look for it. So let's hit the OBD and enter. It's reading some information for the vehicle. It may ask for the vehicle to be turned on. It immediately reads telling you fail codes or race codes, view, freeze frame, IM, vehicle information, data stream, and real-time curve. Let's look at the data stream. Tells me the fuel system is not available. Tells me to load PCT 2036, the ETC, the shift. And we continue to read other codes as we go along. We want to back out, we hit the exit. And then we hit the enter. And let's see if we could read the battery. 14.41 volts. The DTC, no codes are stored in the media. And continue on to the next one that looks like a monitor. The car speed, to calculate load value, the engine coolant temperature while the car is on. It gives a line going across the bottom, a temperature as it goes. The warmer the car gets, the more the temperature will read. The RPMs of the engine, 87. We have this information right here, which is important. So if you get a code, you hit the enter, and it starts to tell you the codes you want to look up. This is the V311A. We briefly went over the unit and showed you what you can pull up in your car or any vehicle. If you had a code, you just follow the instructions yes and no to clear. I hope you could find a good use to clearing your codes, reading the codes, finding the information you're looking for with an OBDII reader for a recent to older car. I hope this product may be right for you.